dough. I'm living every day like a hustle. Another drug juggle. Another day, another struggle. I don't wanna live no more. Sometimes I hear death knocking at my front door. I'm living every day like a hustle. Another drug juggle. Another day, another struggle. I know how it feel to wake up fucked up. Pockets broke as hell, another rock to sell. People look at you like you's the user, selling drugs to all the losers, mad Buddha abuser. But they don't know about your stress-filled day. Baby on the way, mad bills to pay. That's why you drink Tanqueray, so you can reminisce and wish you wasn't living so devilish. Shit, I remember I was just like you, smoking blunts with my crew, flipping over 62s, cause GED wasn't B.I.G. I got P.A.I.D. That's why my mom hate me. She was forced to kick me out, no doubt. Then I figured out niggas went for 20 down south. Packed up my tools for my raw power move. Glock 19 for casket and flower moves. For chumps trying to stop my flow. And what they don't know will show on the autopsy. Went to see Poppy to cop me a brick. Ask for such a Simon.
Yo, YouTube, MySpace, it's your boy DJ Ecstasy of Young Jonathan Rodriguez, however y'all want to know me. I'm here promoting my show, No Parties, a fucking show. All unscripted, you know, I don't know, man. Like, honestly, I didn't even write nothing down for this, but I tried. Yeah, everyday life, everyday struggles and everything, you know, reality show, but without MTV being there with hidden cameras. Yo, so as you notice, it's getting dark as shit outside. I'm about to head inside the crib. No, this ain't MTV, dog. Get it straight. It ain't MTV. I'm not promoting no parties or nothing, dude. It's just getting cold as fuck outside. And I left my sweater inside. Just so y'all know, I'm not gonna let y'all see the inside of my crib until the show. I'm just gonna ball it like that. It's funny, you might think I'm crazy. I'm walking outside in the cold. Look at the snow. Man, it's fucking crazy, dude. Fucking TV show starts pretty soon. When it gets warm outside, what? Living party out here for the crib, my cousin's room, my nephew's little play area, little dirt room. Yeah. Sometime March and April. Y'all get what I mean. And I'll put a little fat ass over there to shut up. Fuck Freedom High School. Woo!
No.
I'm seeing body after body, and I'm Mayor Giuliani. Ain't trying to see no black man turn to John Gotti. My daughter use a potty, so she's older now. Educated street knowledge, I'm a molder now. Trick a little dough, buying young girls fringes, dealing with the dope fiend binges, seeing syringes.